Welcome to day 38 of our vocabulary journey. Today, we'll explore 31 advanced English words to enhance your fluency in conversations. Whether you're preparing for an exam or love learning new words, this video is perfect for you. Let's dive in. Our first word is violate, to break a rule or law. Example: he violated the agreement by not delivering on time. Next, violence, the use of physical force to hurt someone. Example: the protest escalated into violence. Moving on to violent, involving physical force. Example: the violent storm damaged the town. Invasion, entering a place forcefully. Example: the invasion of privacy is a concern with social media. To invade is to enter a place with hostility. The army chose to invade the enemy's territory. Intrude, to enter without permission. Example: I'm sorry to intrude, but I have a question. Next is intrusive, causing disruption. Example: those intrusive ads always pop up unexpectedly. Assail means to violently attack someone. Example: the suspect assailed the officer before fleeing. Encroach means to intrude beyond limits. Example: the new building encroached on parkland. Assault, physically attacking someone. Example: he was arrested for assaulting someone at the bar. To attack is to confront aggressively. Example: the lion attacked its prey swiftly. A sally is a sudden charge from a defensive position. Example: soldiers made a sally to surprise the enemy. Aggression means hostile behavior. Example: his aggression during the meeting made everyone uncomfortable. Aggressively refers to a forceful manner. He challenged his opponent aggressively to a rematch. Ruthless, showing no mercy. Example: the ruthless CEO swiftly fired half the staff. Cruel means causing suffering. Example: the cruel dictator punished dissenters harshly. Brutal refers to extreme harshness. Example: the brutal treatment of prisoners was condemned. Fierce shows strong feelings. Example: the fierce competition pushed athletes to excel. An infraction is a minor violation. Example: running a red light counts as a traffic infraction. Adverse means unfavorable or harmful. Example: adverse effects of the drug were revealed. Opponent refers to someone in competition. He defeated his opponent in the final round. A rival competes for the same goal. The two companies are fierce rivals in tech. Hostile means showing aggression. The hostile environment hindered team functioning. Torment refers to severe suffering. The bully tormented the student for weeks. Molest means to harass someone. Example: the teacher was fired for molesting students. Chagrin means embarrassment. Example: to his chagrin, he forgot his speech at home. Annoy means to irritate. The construction noise annoyed the neighbors. Umbrage refers to offense. Example: she took umbrage at the rude comment. Provocative means likely to provoke a reaction. Example: the speech sparked heated debates. Torture means inflicting severe pain. Example: the prisoner endured days of torture. Finally, despise means to feel strong dislike. He despised the corruption in politics. Which of these words do you find the most challenging or useful? Let us know in the comments.